See problem number 11 based on missing character, right? See here, okay, so let us solve this particular problem. See what number should replace the question mark, right? 9, 4, 10, 8 they have given, and 58 is the middle term. Right now find the relationship between these, and then we have to apply the same relation or pattern to this to get the answer. Let us check out with here. See, let me go with this 9 8s. Let me go with the 9 8s. So 9 into 8, which is going to be 72. 10 into 4, 40. So which is not possible. 10 minus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. So 10 plus 4, which is going to be 14. If I subtract, so 58 I will get. If I go with the same method, 19, 10 plus 9, 19, 15 8s are 150, 15 8s are 120. See, I'm not going to get that answer here. 120 minus 19, 109 is not there. Okay, so there should be some other method. Let us go with this. 10 9s are, let me go with this. 10 9s are, 10 into 9 is 90 minus 10 4s are 10 4s are 10 4s are 40, 8 4s are 32, right? 8 4s are, this I will multiply 8 4s are and as well as 10 9s are. So 90 minus 32, so 8 minus 3 is 5, 58. I got the answer, right? The same way, let me go with this. 15 10s are, 15 into 10, which is going to be 150 minus, so now 9 8s are, 9 into 8, which is going to be 72. If you subtract, you will get 78. Answer is C.